Round number 3, double packs. 7 times. Remember, if you're in the top 2 spots, 1 and 2, you shall receive a silver pack. The third spot shall receive the topper. And the third spot gets the topper. Thanks, Poker. Jacob, Mark, and Brad, DY, and Scott are right there. 7 times. 1 to 4. Second one down. You're not working the titty bar tonight, tabletop? Garrett Crochet goes to Brad Shook. Alright, pack 1. Shirley, you can't be serious? And don't call me Shirley. Jacob, Mike, Bo, and Jose. We're off to see the Wizard, the Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Just base and rookies, I believe. And we have Sonny Gray, Derek Jeter, and Miguel Cabrera. Just a bit outside. Base and rookies. Buster Posey, Tawan Walker. You got Franco this version, rookie, and Christian Yelich. All right, Jacob, those are yours. Mark Long Bombers, these are yours. Just base and base rookies. Oh, you got an autograph, Marcus Stroman. Long Bombers found an autograph, Freddie, Jonah, and Gavin Sheets. Bob, Laddie, Tyler, and Otani. Franco right there, standard rookie. You got one. If you dig, do you dig? I'm just going to start breezing through this. Got a Griffey to $2.99. Welcome to the show. Mike Trout, Devin, and Trevor Story. Long Bombers, I'll put out yours. Pack 3. Brad Shook. Brad, you got that topper of Garrett Crochet Me a Sweater. Oh, I did? I don't think I have anything here for Brad, do I? I think I shipped all your stuff out. Number to 300, Jorge Alfaro, Spencer Howard, Soto's Feet, and Willie Mays. Is this Saturday Night Breaker style? What's that mean, dog? Just base, and we got a patch, Manny Machado. All the patches will be numbered at 25 unless they're one of ones, I think. Manny Machado going to Brad, Bo, Hendricks, and Gill. Where am I gonna put Brad's at? Brad, you didn't have anything, did you? Let me check. I don't see anything. Second here. Okay, that's right. All right, pack 4. D.Y. Daniel, these are yours. Just base and rookies. And other stuff. The other stuff is Jazz Chisholm is the foil future star. Frank Thomas and Clayton Kershaw. I heard Chris went to Jared. He went to Jared. I heard every kiss begins with K. I don't know what that means, but that's what I've heard. Every kiss begins with K. Who in the hell is K? And why does she get all the kisses? Number 2, 2022, Nick Solak. Griffey, Andrelton, and Garrett Cole. DY on that one. Scott, these are yours. Tommy, what's up, fam? Eloy Jimenez and Otani. Did we get a... I think we did. Oh, patch on the bottom. Wilson Contreras, Chicago Pride patch. Glaber and DJ, Matt Manning, and Yadier Molina. All right, that's it for Scott and that round 3. Round 4 coming up. Thanks, everybody.